This 2018 Forest River Forester TS 2371 is a Class C RV. It is located in Pottstown, Pennsylvania, 19464 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Pottstown. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features sleeps 2, Slideout, Awning, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2018 Forest River Forester TS 2371 is built on a Ford Transit chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.